Do you know how can you use the verbs do and make correctly? In this video, we will learn together because I don't know too, and we will discover the how to. And the final, I will give you a special secret, my special secret, a brief tip. Let's get started. What's up, guys? My name is Jason. I'm Brazilian boy living in Brazil. Never traveled to other country, but I decided to use this channel to improve my English and help you. If you wanna help me, I can try help you. Okay? I'm ready. Maybe. Um, I I intend to talk just in English, but you decide. So I'd like to invite you to leave any comment below, and if necessary, I speak in Portuguese, but I don't wanna do this. Um, you will understand why it has to be this way. Okay? You can do any question or correction about my pronunciation, accent, share your doubts or anything. Feel free, okay? All right, feel free. So make or do. When we write some composition in English, we'll face with doubt when we have to decide when to use make or do. It's so hard to decide make or do. So let's see some kind of rules that can we have help. We use make, the verb make, when we create or construct something. Let's see some examples. For example, I will make a cake for you. I will make a cake for you. Or example, can you make me some coffee? I like so much coffee. She makes breakfast for me. She makes breakfast for me. Let's see the verb do. We use do for the other activities, and it can come with some indefinite pronouns such as something, do nothing, do anything, or do everything. Look this example. What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? I didn't do anything last weekend. I didn't do anything last weekend. She has nothing to do. She has nothing to do. Alright so far? Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Ever, like rich people's ever, there are many kids to break the rules in English. In Portuguese has two, but in English it has much. Wouldn't be any different for the make and do. So we have to learn each of them, okay? Let's check some cases of using do and make, okay? Do and make. First, let's try make. Appointment. Do you know what means appointment? He made an appointment with his doctor yesterday. Attempt. Do you know what means attempt? Let's make an attempt to be on time. Let's make an attempt to be on time. Certain. Another word certain. Let's make certain that she will come. Let's make certain that she will come. Okay? Effort, 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 effort. If you can correct me, please comment below. This isn't your best. Make an effort. Okay? Make an effort. Chant. They made some chance in my schedule. They made some chance on my schedule. Choice, choice, choice. It's a beautiful word. Make your choice. This is the point of no return. Make your choice. This is the point of no return. Okay? Decision. Decision. I made my decision. I want you. I made my decision. I want you. Mistake. Mistake. Everybody made mistake. I made some mistake. My text. I made some mistake. Much. My text. Now let's try the verb do. Okay? Your best. Your best. Just do your best. Do you remember? Do you remember? Just do it. Just do it. Like, just do it. Curse. Curse. Melissa has decided to do a curse and compute. Melissa has decided to do a curse and compute. Drawing. Do you know what means drawing? Drawing. He is doing a beautiful drawing. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's see the beautiful drawing. Housework. Housework. What mean? What message? Housework. Housework. We have all the housework to do today. Well done. My wife is doing well in his new job. My wife is doing well in his new job. Okay? Work. Let's see, work. We have a lot of work to do in this afternoon. We have a lot of work to do in this afternoon. And to finish this class, the secret. I usually, particularly, I say when we use our hands to do anything, we use make. And any other activities do use it do. Do you understand? Fast and easy. If involve your hands, if involved your hands, make. But no, do. Okay? Alright? Simple and fast and simple. But there are another thing to observe. Did you notice this do and the other times that do appeared not as a main verb? Let's see it for the next video, okay? Next video. See you later.